Hello, right, we're going to have a go at making an Elmer elephant today using a milk bottle and some other bits which I will show you what you need now. So we need a milk bottle. So we've got a plastic one here. This is a 2 litre one, and I've drawn around roughly where you would need to cut. Get an adult to do this because it can be a bit dangerous. You need a decent pair of scissors. So kind of cut around, and we left a little bit on so that it could be a tail. So you kind of cut around your milk bottle first, and it will end up looking something similar to that. So that was mine. Charlie started sticking his on, well done. So this is Charlie's elephant here. There we go. And then we need lots of squares of different colours. We've got tissue paper, but I think it could work with crepe paper or wrapping paper as well. Our tortoise is just going mad. There's Turbo. There he is. Hello Turbo. He wants to get in on the action. He's going to have to wait. Okay, so yes, so you need to stick on the squares, go as wild as you like, and we'll see how ours develops. So I've started to layer up my tissue paper with PVA glue, and I've got a brush and Charlie's got like a little spreader. You're sticking yours on, well done Charlie. And then it's supposed to look a little bit like patchwork. So if you have seen Elmer the elephant, that's the kind of effect we're going for. So I'm just layering it on. If you haven't got tissue paper though, I think you could use a mixture of paint with PVA glue so that it sticks to the plastic. So you could always do that. Or if you've got Sharpies or permanent. Here are our final Elmers. Here is Charlie's, covered in lovely patchwork with his ears and googly eyes. So his is the baby elephant, and I did get tissue paper everywhere. Here is the mummy one, which we blinged up a little bit with some jewels, and couldn't resist the googly eyes. Quite pleased with them. Somebody suggested that you could put one of those little battery operated tea lights underneath it, which we haven't got, but you could put a torch so that you can see the colours through, which is quite pretty as well. Please have a go and see if you can make one of your own. Thank you, bye.